Zava hosts business-critical applications on cloud and in their on-premises VMware environment. Meet Alex, IT admin, and Tina, developer at Zava. They are both collaborating on this project. Alex uses Azure Copilot migration agent for planning and executing the project. He completed the ROI analysis and obtained approval to move applications to Azure with a preference to modernize. Alex needs to develop migration strategies for each of the applications. The agent assists with capturing application definitions using tags. He starts with the business-critical application asset manager. The agent tags resources that host the application based on name. Alex asks the agent to evaluate cloud readiness for the application. It recommends a preferred migration path, adopting Azure App Service Containers and Azure Database for PostgreSQL Flexible Server to maximize the benefits. He reviews additional details regarding strategy and readiness for the application in the Azure Migrate assessment. This helps him select the modernization approach for the application. Azure Migrate provides Alex with an option to enhance the assessment for the web application by adding code insights. Alex discusses the modernization approach of Asset Manager with Tina, and they agree to pursue code analysis. Tina shares the GitHub repo URL for the application with Alex to continue the collaboration. He creates a GitHub connection in Azure Migrate and requests to add code insights. A GitHub issue with a current migration assessment context is created requesting the insights. Tina picks up the GitHub issue and performs code analysis within Visual Studio Code using GitHub Copilot App Modernization extension. The analysis identifies legacy patterns, outdated dependencies, and configuration mismatches for modernizing the application to run optimally on Azure. The analysis report details the required changes with recommended next steps, categorizes them as cloud readiness concerns, and the necessary Java version upgrades. Tina attaches the analysis report to the GitHub issue and informs Alex to continue planning for modernization. In Azure Migrate, Alex reviews the updated assessment that now includes code readiness and effort estimates, sharpening the accuracy of modernization recommendations. He gives Tina a go-ahead for modernizing Asset Manager. Tina uses GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code to fix the issues in the analysis report one at a time. GitHub Copilot generates and executes a remediation plan for the selected issue. She reviews the changes made by GitHub Copilot and repeats these steps for each issue. GitHub Copilot also supports Tina in deploying the application for deployment to Azure. The application is upgraded and modernized to run in Azure. Thanks to the migration agent working with GitHub Copilot, Alex and his team at Zava modernize their applications to Azure with confidence.